family, I've missed you. This is our first face-to-face video of the new year, and today I'm so excited to show you our Glam February collection. And in addition to that, we're doing a little tutorial on how I store my planner stickers. We've had lots of gals joining the Paper and Glam community, and a next step is always, and how do I store all this amazing glam? So I'm going to be walking through how I like to store my stickers, and I hope it inspires you and helps you get organized and accountable to plan for the Glam New Year that's in front of us. The first thing in our collection is our Hello February dashboard. So we release a monthly dashboard with every collection and sometimes some fun seasonal dashboards. And we like to use these in a variety of ways. Some of us like to put them up in our home. I know I do. And they also can go like in the front of your sticker binder or in, of course, your planner. And they have a fun little note on the back. Another little fun thing is that we also release these as freebie downloads, so you can put them on your phone, just like I have the January. Next, we have our countdown stickers. So we love ourselves a Glam countdown, and this is our Valentine countdown. So it has 14 days since our 30 or 31 day countdowns are kind of a little much for Valentine's Day. So on the bottom we have just fun little Valentine-y sayings like life is what you bake it. Next we have our monthly planner kit. So let's unbox this. So it comes with our February seasonal living list. This is also free to download online, and then it comes with your kit, just like our dashboard. It's a freebie with the kit. And then we have our first sheet, which is our stickers sheet, as we call it. They're all stickers, but this is like our little functional stickers. They have fun little sayings, things that you might be writing in your planner. We have those written out here, so organize, pizza night, etc. Next we have our weekend banners. So we designed 4 different weekend banners for every month, and then same with our day banners. We have 4 different day banners here. So there's football for the Super Bowl, go Rams. So excited LA is in the Super Bowl. And we have Valentine coffee, heart-shaped donuts, conversation hearts, plus fun little functional stickers like day off, let's stay home, TGIF, yay, and Sunday just sighed in the background. You're wondering what that grunt was. Then March releases, reorder P&G. Next we have our celebrations. So these coordinate perfectly with the seasonal living list. And then we have like a big styled word if maybe you want to write out your memories for the month in your journal, or you want to, or in your planner, or you want to write out like the books you've read or the movies you've watched, that type of stuff. Then we have just some fun styled words here, love life, plus some mini hearts that are designed to check off your seasonal living list, but you can use them to make to-do lists or just to decorate. Then we have some flags and some checklist hearts here. I love to use the flags to block off time in my hourly planner. And then we have our full box stickers. These are our little works of art. You'll notice if you follow us on Instagram that a lot of these look really familiar. So here is the first box here on Instagram. I just think it's fun to show you guys the inspiration, so I hope this is inspiring for you too. And then we have this coffee picture next, which is this one right here, and Groundhog Day. We don't have a groundhog, but that would be amazing if we had that on Instagram. Here's the soup. How fun is that? This picture of me lounging with my Valentine coffee is right here in this double box scene. This next one is less of a exact replica, but this is the inspiration for that shot. This next one did not make it on Instagram yet, but you'll see this is the inspiration shot for our dashboard, and then it's also this sticker right here. On the second page here, we have heart-shaped donuts, and this is the inspiration for it. So if you're new to Paper and Glam, you can kind of see everything comes really right out of my life, right out of kind of my heart for actually living this lifestyle of really appreciating each season and grounding ourselves in time, and also putting those rituals and those traditions into our year. So we're marking time and we're not just kind of flying by the seat of our pants and then being like, wait, what happened to February? Which totally happened to me this month, darn it. So next is our seasonal extra. So this is Glam Valentine or Glamentine, and it has more fun styled words, and I love this breakfast tray. That is my favorite from this little sheet, and I love the I freaking love you and those YSL inspired glasses. I have been wanting those glasses so badly, but they're like $600. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just make them a sticker. And then next we have more fun full boxes. I thought this double box of the breakfast tray was just everything because I had to do it. I just love kind of that breakfast in bed idea. And then you guys know I love my literary time in the bath. So we have a bathtub picture. I know a lot of you said that that was your favorite, plus some macarons, because those are very valentine-y, and some chocolate covered strawberries, and a conversation heart that says Glam on. So that is our monthly kit. And if you haven't subscribed to receive your Glam Mail monthly, I would so love to send stickers home to you. And next we have our headers. The first page of our headers is designed to go on your spiral planners. It's like your ECs. And now we do scene headers. So it's hard to tell on the sticker sheet, but you'll see it in my next plan with me. This actually connects on the other side, and then the second sheet goes right underneath here. So you'll see the scene actually completes. And then we have some fun little stickers down here that you can put on your monthly view. So like maybe if you have something special going on that day, or maybe you have nothing going on that day and you just want to decorate. And these monthly boxes are interchangeable between the Glam Planner and the EC. So you can mix and match regardless of what planner you use, or if you use both like me, then you have headers that are sized perfectly for the Glam Planner, and you have headers that are sized perfectly for the EC, and options, options, options. Next we have our day headers. So we have brackets and scallops, today, to do tonight, patterned, and plain for writing in what you want, or just using them to block off time, or just as decorative, and then more today, to do tonight. Next we have our basics, and our basics might look a little basic, but these really pull together a layout. For me, if I could have one sticker for, well, if I could choose one offering, I would definitely the monthly planner kit 100%, because there's so many different things. But after that, like these basics, I'd say are like the next thing that I would want. A lot of you always ask, I'm new to paper and glam, where do I start? It's a lot. So kind of answering that question, I would say after the monthly planner kit, definitely basics. And this has been asked in our Facebook group many, many times, and you guys always chime in and totally agree with me. So that's exciting. I like when we're on the same page. It means it's all working together. And so our half boxes are so great for like layering the celebrations. So I like to layer these right on, and you can write underneath them. So our basics come with half boxes, quarter boxes, and then these I call our Glam Office half boxes, because I like to use them for more professional type stuff. And then I like to use the pattern boxes for kind of fun things. And then we have our full boxes and more little flags for to-do lists and whatnot. Next we have our Core Glam. Our Core Glam are functional stickers, so they each have a little theme. So this is Glam About Town, so kind of for like your errands, your shopping, your movie nights. Then we have Everyday Glam. This is just for glamming at home, your reading, your journaling, your Glamazon packages, your P&G mailers, magazine, glamming up, and you know, your Glam Flicks, tea, coffee. Then we have Glam Office, pretty self-explanatory. This is kind of work stuff. Then we have Gym, also pretty self-explanatory, and Glam Home, so your dream homekeeping, and then lastly Glam Plans for making lists. Next we have our February weekly kit. This is our Legally Blonde inspired weekly kit. So these full boxes, I just die. I love, love, love them. They just came out so beautifully, which is really exciting because I wanted to do this kit, this weekly kit, some serious justice, since it's held such a special place in my heart over the years. So I love this double box here where she says, what, like it's hard. That's my favorite scene in the movie, and ever since I saw it, I think it was like a freshman in high school when it came out, but you know, whenever I kind of catch myself like with that inner complainer monologue, like, well, I have to do this, I just think to myself, what, like it's hard. And then live every day like Elle Woods after Warner said she wasn't smart enough for law school. Love it. It's just such a kit that kind of reflects some of my own journey too. You know, kind of working in IT, which is such a boys club, you kind of go in with feeling like you're a little bit less than, or like you really have to prove yourself. And I just love that like montage of her like getting into law school and just crushing it. And yeah, special place in my heart. And then we have always have faith in yourself with like the Delta Nu inspired pattern. Exercise gives you endorphins. We all remember that scene. And just her by a little library, and just like a fun little officey scene down here. And of course, Mr. Bruiser. Then we have our fun icons. We have Chihuahua, checklists, we have flags that just look very law school-ish, and weekend banner that's just so cute. We have little flags here for your weekly kit, plus little icons, some quarter boxes with high heels, and then some really cute washi with books and more heels and habit trackers. Next, I have this month's signature releases, and the signature releases just mean they're non-seasonal. So they're year-round, they're available, and we release them about once a year. So this is our brand new date night. We just gave this a little update. It has just 2 little hearts and some styled words. Next is a really fun one. I'm really excited about this one. I released this one kind of with the heart of like Organized Home Day, and also I knew the Marie Kondo it's not a documentary. I guess it's just a show that's on Netflix, though I don't remember what it's called, but it's the show where she goes around and helps people organize their homes. So a lot of us in the community have been watching that while organizing, and we also read the book together during our January 2016 book club month. So it's just kind of a cool full circle sticker, and I'm constantly organizing my closet. So organize your closet stickers. Also, these are separate stickers, so you could just use the organize for, organizing other things in your house. Next, we have our date flags. And last but not least, I am really excited about this release for those of us who use multiple planners. So our headers come with 1 set of date dots, but if you're like me and you have 2 planners, you will need another set. So that's why I release these date flags. They're just a fun change from the dots, and there are date flags for every month. So this is what we call a 365 offering, because there is a set for each month of the year. So here's January, February, March, April, and they're in our monthly colors, so they're going to coordinate beautifully for you. And one question I get all the time is the colors never change. So they've been in place, I've had them in place for 13 or 14 years now in my own life. I don't see them ever changing. So if you're watching this or you're seeing this offering and it's April or something, you can just grab it, use them all the way through, and you'll go full circle. Lastly, I get lots of questions about how to organize your planner stickers. If you've been with Paper and Glam for a while, then you might have quite the stash, and you might want to use February stickers, next year and future years. So what we do is, in the community, most of us have a binder for each month. If you've been with us a while, lots of gals start with a binder per season and then graduate to a binder per month as their stash grows. And so I wanted to show you how my sticker binder is organized. First, I have this binder. I'll link it below. It's from Amazon. I love that I have this pouch here where I can put matching Post-its, matching planner clips, pens, whatever I need. So if I'm on the go planning, I have everything in here ready to roll. And I can just grab this binder and be on my merry way. And then I have the seasonal living list here. And then this is how I have it organized, so it makes sense to me. I put the countdown first because that's the first thing that I will be using for a month. It's usually the month previous. Next, I have the memory keeping dashboards with everything I need for that layout. So circles and washi. I like to have 2 washis so that I can go all the way across the page on a weekly layout. Then I have the monthly planner kit. And then I like to put everything I have for the monthly kit in one little bundle here, and you'll see mine is a misfit. We won't sell a misfit, but for me, it's just fine because I'll take the stickers off of the sheet, and this will go in the trash. So I have everything for the monthly here, including the seasonal Glam monthly. And then our date covers. So you'll see we have a lot of things in the collection that weren't released this month because they come in 365 bundles like we talked about just a minute ago, or seasonal bundles where we have like winter and spring, which is January through April. We have summer, which is May through August, and then September through December is fall and holiday. So we have more headers here like we talked about. Then we have arrows, basics, And then glitter quarter boxes. Oh, and I didn't show you these adorable patterned quarter boxes. These have been just my favorite new thing in my planner routine. I'm always running through quarter boxes like they're going out of style, and so I like to have kind of a variety. Then we have more glitter, glitter flags, glitter headers, half boxes, full boxes, and then habit trackers. I use these like crazy as well. H2O, Core Glam, and then a couple extra Core Glams that are not in the monthly bundle because they're a little more specific. So this is Glam Reads. This is for my serious readers. If you are just reading every day and it's a big part of your life, or you want it to be, I would highly recommend this offering because it's just a fun way to block off time that you're reading. You can mark what books you read, you know, how many pages you read. I'm a giant nerd and I like to track how many pages I read every week and every month. I know, reading goals. My super readers will understand. I'm determined to get to 50 books a year, and last year I got 46 in, so I'm getting closer. I'm inching my way to that goal. I just want to be a book a month reader a book a week reader because there's just so many exciting books. Anyway, you know when I start talking about books, it's just a tangent. So without getting into a dissertation, next we have book reviews. Over the weekend I was going into Goodreads and reviewing some books, and that was a lot of fun. Again, giant nerd. Then we have meal plans. So we have both like blocking out time to meal prep and plan, and then also like a meal plan tracker for your sidebars. And then we have Glam Vlog, which I use a lot, as you might imagine. And then I love the Instaglams too. These are in our outlet, so they're almost gone, and I'm really, really excited about that because I'm ready to give these a little update. And then lastly, if we have a weekly kit that corresponds to the current month, I'm going to use this for this month because I want to use it for like the last week of the month. So I put it in here. But non-seasonal stuff like the signature items that I was talking about, like date night, I like to put those in my signature binder, and I'll show that next. For my signature binder, I like to put the current seasonal dashboard in front, or, you know, any other dashboard. So here I have, you know, Paper Glam Planning, Glam So Hard. Then I have our book club dashboard next, so I know when the chats are and just to keep us organized. Then, again, because of the reading, I have my reading stickers, so like Glam Library, and I wanted to use this I'd rather be reading sticker from November. I didn't get to it, so I have it with Glam Library. And then I have all of our signature items in alphabetical order, so I know exactly where they are. And then in the back here, I have things that are a little bit more thematic. So I have Glam Yearly, Yearly and Yoga. Hold on, still in alphabeticals. So here I have like You Better Sweat, and then You Better Work, still in alphabeticals. And then we get to like travel stuff. So I have flights back here, Glam Getaway, our Glam Getaway Countdown, Glam Birthday, and more birthday tracking stuff. All right, sisters, that's a wrap on the Glam February collection. I am so excited to send it home to you. And oh, how just delicious is that Legally Blonde kit. Every time I look at it, it makes me so deliriously happy. So I hope you're as excited to plan with it as I am. And kind of housekeeping stuff. First off, I am obsessed with this sweatshirt, which I just got at Target. I'm loving all our January blue. I got this January blue Frozen Mani, and I have had so much fun looking at all of your winter manis and all of your seasonal living celebrations in our Facebook groups. If you're new to Paper and Glam, we have 4 Facebook groups, one for all things planning and stickers, one for seasonal living, where we walk through our month of seasonal living together and inspire and encourage one another, and then our book club and our Bible study, God and Glam. That's a wrap for today, so please remember to subscribe so we can hang out more often, and I will see you again soon.